Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My recipe for today, ladies and gentlemen, is a special request by my friend Linda. She asked me if I could prepare some Greek meatballs cooked in wine and tomato sauce. And since we are going to see her tomorrow, I have decided to prepare them today. And also to show all my YouTube friends how to make them. And here we have all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make them. I'm going to start by preparing the tomato sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And heat it up gently. Place the onion in the pan together with the garlic and cook it gently until it's soft. When the onion becomes translucent, add the wine and simmer until it's reduced by half. The reason for cooking the wine first is to get rid of the alcohol. All we want is just the flavor of the wine. Once the wine is reduced, add the tomatoes, the tomato paste, the chicken stock, and the rest of the ingredients. The mint and the cinnamon. Bring it to a simmer and cook it uncovered for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, season with pepper and salt. Turn it off, cover it, and put it to one side. Now we are ready to prepare the meatballs. Soak the bread in some of the milk. Add to the mince the onion, the parsley, the oregano, the thyme, the garlic, the egg, and then squeeze any excess of the milk and crumble the bread into the mixture. Add the salt and pepper and mix everything together. Until well combined. Take some of the mixture and roll it between the palm of your hands. And then shape it into oblong meatballs. And continue until you finish the whole lot. I'm just finishing the last one, and the next thing to do is to fry them. Place some of the oil into the frying pan and heat it up until it gets very hot. When the oil becomes hot, turn it down and place the meatballs in the pan carefully. You don't want to burn yourself. Fry half of them first and then do the other half. And fry them on both sides until they are golden brown. When they become brown all over, take them out and place them on kitchen paper. And continue with the next batch. When you finish, turn the gas off and take them out of the pan. Place the pan with the tomato sauce back on the fire, and when it starts boiling, add the meatballs. Mix them gently so they don't break apart. Cover the pan and simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to take them out of the pan and show you what they look like. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Greek meatballs cooked in wine and tomato sauce. Time for a taste. I'm going to have a little taste and the rest are going to go to Linda's. What can I say, ladies and gentlemen? You can taste all the flavors of the aromatic herbs, including the spices. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and please join me again with my next recipe. Bye for now. Mmm.